Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another dental assisting video. So this is going to be a real cute short video of me placing some temporaries. A couple of clips from a while back. I didn't want to just delete them, so here we go. Right now I am just packing some cord. If you don't know what cord is, it's just a little string that you push under the tissue to push the tissue back so that you can get a really good impression. Same as if you guys wear press-on nails, you would push your cuticle back so that the nail could fit right under where the tissue lays. So we would want that crown to fit right under the tissue. You want it to all be flush. Do this very gently. My patient wasn't numbed, so I just soaked my cord in some topical. So I didn't show me taking the impression, but I did show me making the temporary. Right now I'm just drying off all of her teeth so that the temporary material can bond to her teeth. That way I don't have to use any cement. Right now I'm just filling the impression with some Luxa-Temp. If you guys watched my placing veneers video, if you haven't, make sure you go back and watch it. This is the same case from that video. So this is how everything came out. I'm just gonna pull this off and voila, here's the results. I'm just gonna clean everything up, get any excess off, and that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below some more video ideas you guys want to see from me. I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.